cuties, today we're back at it again. We're doing fidget order, and today I'm doing a fidget order for Purple Rose fidgets. So let's go! Firstly, she asked for the mini puppet, so let's get that. Next, the dolphin puppet, obviously everyone's been ordering that. Next, the candy Dumbo, again popular. I love it. Next, a snapper. I don't have a snapper, so I'm gonna give something else, like a mystery fidget. It's not a mystery fidget, but you know. I'm going to give the fidget pad instead of the snapper. I'm sorry. Next, a marble mesh. I don't have that also, so I'm gonna give this thing. It's very fun. Like I said in my last video, it's kind of fun to play with. Next, a mystery fidget. I don't know which one to give. Maybe the puzzle ball or the Rubik's Cube. I think a puzzle ball would be nice. So that's her order. Let's pack it. Finally this one. So that's all for her order. Also, if you want to order, please go see the video and see what I have, so we can get from that. If you don't know, I posted a video of showing all the fidgets that I'm keeping for this fake fidget order, so you can go check it out. I'll leave that video link in the description below. That's it, and thanks for watching. Bye cuties. Also, one second, actually, I'll be doing 3 of these because yesterday I did 3 and I don't want to change the timetable too much, so we're gonna do 3 one day. So bye cuties.